Today we are going to learn about mastering data cleaning with Python Pandas. We'll cover effective techniques using pandas for cleaning data, ensuring your datasets are accurate and reliable. Data cleaning is the cornerstone of reliable data analysis. In this video, we'll explore Python Pandas, a powerful library that simplifies data cleaning tasks. Effective data cleaning is crucial for accurate analysis and decision-making. We'll guide you through handling missing data, correcting data types, and removing duplicates, ensuring your dataset is both accurate and efficient. Pandas provides tools to streamline these processes, making it an indispensable tool for data scientists and analysts.
Before diving into data cleaning, we need to set up Python Pandas. Start by installing Pandas using pip install pandas. Once installed, import it into your Python environment with import pandas as PD. Pandas uses DataFrames to manage and manipulate datasets. Load your data into a DataFrame using functions like pd.read_csv for CSV files or pd.read_excel for Excel files. Familiarize yourself with basic data frame operations such as viewing the first few entries using df.head, checking data types with df.dtypes, and summarizing data with df.describe. These initial steps are crucial for understanding your dataset structure and the cleaning tasks ahead.
Missing data can skew your analysis, so it's important to address it early. Use pandas functions like isnull and notnull to identify missing values. You can check for missing data in a data frame with df.isnull. Sum, which shows the count of missing entries per column. Handling missing data involves deciding whether to remove or fill them. For removal, df.dropna eliminates rows or columns with missing data. For imputation, use df.fill, specifying a constant value or a method like fill, forward fill, or fill, backward fill. These techniques ensure your dataset remains as complete and informative as possible.
Data types define how data is stored and interpreted. Incorrect data types can lead to errors in analysis. Use pandas astype method to convert columns to appropriate types. For instance, convert a column to integers with df_name equals df_name. Astype in dot for numeric conversion, pd.to_numeric is helpful, particularly when dealing with mixed data types in columns. Categorical data can be optimized by converting to the category data type, reducing memory usage and speeding up processing. Ensuring consistent data types across your dataset is a key step in preparing your data for analysis. Duplicates can inflate data size and skew results. Use the duplicated method to identify duplicates, which returns a Boolean series indicating duplicate rows. For example, df.duplicated gives you a quick overview of duplicate rows. To remove them, use df.drop_duplicates, which returns a data frame without duplicate entries. You can specify columns to check for duplication using the subset parameter. Removing duplicates ensures that each data point is unique, maintaining the integrity and quality of your dataset. This step is crucial for datasets where unique records are required, such as customer databases or inventory lists.
String manipulation is essential for cleaning text data. Pandas offers a str accessor for applying string operations on series. For instance, use df_column. str.lower to convert text to lowercase, or df_column. str.replace old, new, to replace text. The str.split function can separate strings into multiple columns, providing flexibility in data presentation. Handling case sensitivity is crucial for data consistency, ensuring that text data is uniform across the dataset. These tools allow you to clean, format, and prepare text data effectively for subsequent analysis. Outliers can distort your analysis and lead to inaccurate conclusions. Identifying them is the first step, often done using statistical methods like z-scores or the IQR method. Calculate z-scores with scipy.stats.score to find outliers based on standard deviations. Alternatively, use the IQR method to filter out values that fall outside a specified range. Visualizations like box plots in pandas can also help identify outliers. Once identified, decide whether to remove or adjust them based on their impact on your analysis. Handling outliers is crucial for maintaining the accuracy and reliability of your dataset.
Exploratory data analysis, EDA, is a critical step in understanding your dataset. Pandas offers numerous tools for data exploration, including summary statistics using df.describe and data visualization with libraries like matplotlib and seaborn. Ada allows you to uncover patterns, correlations, and anomalies in your data, guiding further analysis. Use pandas to compute correlations with df.core or visualize data distributions with histograms. Ada not only provides insights into your dataset but also highlights areas that require further cleaning or adjustment. This foundational step is essential for effective data-driven decision-making.
Adhering to best practices in data cleaning ensures the reliability and integrity of your dataset. Consistency is key. Apply uniform cleaning procedures across your dataset. Automate repetitive tasks using pandas functions within scripts or Jupyter notebooks to save time and reduce errors. Document each step of your cleaning process meticulously, providing transparency and aiding reproducibility. Continuous validation of your data ensures it remains accurate and reliable. By following these best practices, you enhance the quality of your analysis and ensure that your data-driven decisions are based on sound, accurate data.
In this video, we've covered essential data cleaning techniques using Python Pandas, equipping you with skills to handle missing data, correct data types, and remove duplicates. Effective data cleaning is foundational to any data analysis task, ensuring your insights are based on accurate, reliable data. As you continue to work with data, remember the importance of continuous learning and practice. Explore advanced Pandas features and apply these techniques to real-world datasets to enhance your data analysis capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy data cleaning.